Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to withdraw from Bullx Neo to Phantom Wallet. So first thing you're going to need to do is go to your Bullx wallet and then go to the wallet manager. From here, you have to make sure that you have Solana. As you can see, I have Solana in here, and then after you ensure that you have Solana, just tap on the withdraw button and then just tap on add wallet or add withdraw wallet. And then you're just going to put here all the details like the wallet name and the wallet address. So to get the wallet address, go to your Phantom wallet, and from here tap on receive and just tap on that copy button in the Solana. And once you're done copying that, go back here and paste the link of the wallet address. And once you're done with that, tap on the add wallet at the bottom. And then once you have tapped on the add wallet address, you will see all these here, and you just have to fill in the information like what you're going to withdraw, like Solana, where it's from, and then just put here the amount and also put where you're going to transfer the money. So since we're going to transfer it to Phantom, we're going to tap on the Phantom. And once you have checked all the details, just tap on withdraw at the bottom. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!